Hey, today we're going to get a player for our team. So we're going to get 115 overall LaMelo Ball. You heard that right. Yes, 115 overall LaMelo Ball. So we are going to spend 10,000 cash. This is my brother's account. So yeah. He is currently playing MC with some other of my neighbors. Let's go, bro. 115 overall LaMelo Ball. This is my best card I ever had right now. I don't have a 150 on my main account, so yeah. But I might spend it on some other stuff. I'm gonna spend my coins and cash on my other stuff. So we also have two Ghosts of Christmas Future packs, Christmas Day packs. And after this, I'm gonna do LaMelo Ball gameplay, and after that, we'll finally stop recording. Oh, that animation was fire. 110 Jamal Murray. And our last one, I am going to cover up the screen. Waiting for it to load. Waiting for it to load. 3, 2, 1, bang. We got Jason Tatum. We can do one more. So I'm actually gonna cover up the screen right now. Three, two, one, bang. We get a 108 Chris Middleton. Thank you guys for watching. We're out.